Okay, so we're going to start off learning the scale. When we're practicing the scale, we normally start at low G, but for the purposes of teaching it, I'm going to start at the top. Okay, when you're putting your fingers onto the chanter, first one is your left thumb, goes on the hole at the back. The second one is your index finger, goes on the first hole at the front. Then your middle finger goes on the next hole, and your ring finger goes on the third hole. Then you're onto your bottom hand, onto your right hand, where your index finger covers the next hole, your middle finger, your ring finger, and finally your pinky. Now that's quite a challenge for beginners, for learners, but again, over time, you'll get more confident and that will get better. So our first note that we're going to learn is high A, and for high A, you lift your pinky off the bottom finger, so you've still got off your bottom hand, sorry, so you've still got your index, your middle and your ring finger on, and on the top hand, you lift everything off except for your ring finger. So you've still got your ring finger on, everything else is off, and that's high A. Sounds like this. Okay. The next note is high G, and to move from high A to high G, you're going to lift your ring finger and you're going to put your thumb on the hole at the back. Okay, the next note is F. You're going to place your index finger down. Okay, after that, your middle finger goes down. And that's E. Now we're on to D. This is where it gets a little bit more complicated. The move from E to D is one of the more challenging ones. This is where you put your ring finger on your top hand down, and on your bottom hand, that's your right hand, you lift all of your fingers off and you put your pinky down. So your pinky is on the bottom hole, all the others are up, and on your top hand, all of your fingers are down. So you've got your thumb, your index, your middle, and your ring finger down on the holes. And that's D, and it sounds like this. Okay, C is next. You put your index finger down, you keep your pinky down, but you've got your index finger now down on the hole. Next you go to B, and for B your middle finger goes down and your pinky goes up. Okay, low A. Your ring finger, on your bottom hand goes down. And finally, for a low G, I'm sure you'll not be surprised, your pinky goes down. And that's notes of the scale, and you can practice going all the way from high A down to low G, just to get used to those sounds.